multiplying algebraic expressions, we just simply have to add and subtract the exponents. We have here number 1, a times a, that will give us a squared. Why? Because we have here understood one exponent. Or then next, b squared times b cubed, that will give us b raised to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, we have here x squared times x cubed times x raised to 1, that will give us x raised to 6. Next, we have here a raised to negative 8 times a raised to 4. Since we have unlike signs, negative 8 and positive 4, so we're gonna subtract. So negative 8 minus 4, that is negative 4. Follow the sign of the bigger number. Next, we have here a raised to negative 2 times a raised to negative 5, that will give us a raised to negative 7. Since we have like signs, so we have to add, and the sign is negative. So that's something.